Good morning, dear students. Welcome back for your studies. Hope you all have enjoyed your vacations. So, we are back on our studies. We have completed 2 chapters in our literature. So, we will proceed further with our new chapter, that is chapter number 3. It is a poem. The name of the poem is Daddy Fell into the Pond. What is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Daddy Fell into the Pond. This poem is written by Alfred Noyes. Alfred Noyes is an English poet, a short story writer and a playwright. Alfred Noyes was an English poet, short story writer and a playwright. He was born on 16 September 1880 and he died on 25th June 1958. He has written many poems in literature. He has given many things to the language English, and his famous poems were The Highwayman, The Victory Ball, The Heart of Canada, Daddy Fell into the Pond, etc. etc. So, let us proceed with the poem. This poem is based upon a view as if a child has went to nearby to the pond with his daddy and accidentally his daddy fell into the pond. What happened? Let us see. Everyone grumbled, the sky was grey, we had nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day and there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond. What happened? Everyone grumbled. Grumbled means complained. Everyone complained. Everyone is complaining that sky was grey. It means that it is a very boring day. There is no wind, no sun. It is a very boring day. The sky was grey, and they are having nothing to do. They all are getting bored because they are having nothing to do. And even they won't have anything to talk about. They even won't have anything to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day. The dull day. Dismal means dull. The dull day, the boring day is about to end. They were near to the end of a dull day, and there seemed to be nothing beyond. And it seems that nothing is going to happen. And what happened? At a glance, accidentally Daddy fell into the pond. What happened? Daddy fell into the pond. And everyone's face grew merry and bright, and Timothy danced for sheer delight. Give me the camera, quick, oh quick. He's crawling out of the duckweed click. What happened? Whenever somebody used to fell, when you people are in the ground, are in playground or in your class, and someone accidentally fell down, you people at once, at a glance, started laughing. Few are there who used to help out, but before helping, first expression that you used to give is a laugh, right? So in the same way, when Daddy fell into the pond, what happened? Everyone stood there. They started laughing. Their faces were happy and cheerful. And Timothy is the name of a boy, I think so, yeah. Timothy danced for sheer delight. Timothy started dancing in delight. And what she said, name of a girl, I think so, yeah. And what she said, give me the camera, quick, oh quick. She said, give me the camera, quick, oh quick, quickly give me the camera. Timothy is the name of a boy, not a girl. Okay. So Timothy started dancing in the delight, very and happily enjoying seeing daddy fell into the pond. And he said that, give me the camera, oh very quickly give me the camera. He is crawling out of the duckweed. He was crawling, where he was crawling out of the duckweed. Duckweed means a plant that grows on the surface of some pools, on ponds. जो pools होते हैं उनके surface में कुछ plants उगाते हैं, that are called duckweed. And he was crawling out of the duckweed. He clicked the picture. अच्छा, who was crawling out of the duckweed? Daddy. No, not Timothy. Daddy was crawling out of the duckweed. Daddy fell into the pond na, and when he was getting up, so he was crawling out of the duckweed. And what happened? Timothy gave a click, and Timothy clicked the picture of the daddy. Okay. Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee and doubled up, shaking silently, and the ducks all quacked as if they were daft, and it sounded as if the old drake laughed. Oh, there was a thing that didn't respond when daddy fell into the pond. Then what happened? Then there was a gardener who suddenly slapped his knee. On his knee he gave a slap to himself, and he doubled up and he started shaking silently, and the ducks were quacking, and they started quacking and quacking as if all the ducks were foolish. All the ducks became foolish. They started quacking, and how does it sound? It sounded as if the old drake laughed. Drake means a male duck. The quack of the ducks, the ducks were quacking in a foolish way, and that quack was sounding like a male duck was laughing. Oh, there wasn't thing that didn't respond, and in that place there wasn't even a single thing that respond on when daddy fell into the pond. When daddy fell into the pond, all the things that were present over there wasn't even a single thing that didn't respond. Everything and everyone responded in their own way when daddy fell into the pond. Understood? Hopefully you all have understood the poem. Tomorrow I'll ask you all to explain the poem, so be ready, and if you have any queries then do discuss with me. I'll tell you what is your homework. I'll mention it over in the message. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.